What you are about to witness is not merely a repair. It is a resurrection. An object, long lost to time and decay, is about to reveal its hidden soul. This transformative journey will challenge what you believe is possible, unveiling the beauty buried within the forgotten. The story begins with a relic of the past, a hammer consumed by rust. Submerged in a chemical bath, the slow process of purification begins. Years of corrosion are stripped away, layer by agonizing layer. The raw steel, hidden for decades, finally breathes again. But the damage runs deep. A critical flaw threatens its very core. With a steady hand, the metal is meticulously reshaped. Each pass of the grinder is a step toward perfection. The scars of its former life are carefully erased. As the head is reborn, attention turns to its missing half. From a humble block of wood, a new handle will emerge. Precision cuts shape the wood, guided by an artist's vision. The raw material is planed, revealing the elegant grain within. A pencil marks the destiny of the wood. Careful carving creates a perfect union of form and function. Separate pieces are joined, creating a strength greater than their sum. Bound together, they await the final transformation. Meanwhile, the hammer's head achieves a brilliant, mirror-like finish. Final markings are made, preparing for the marriage of wood and steel. The handle is painstakingly refined by hand. Now a work of art, it stands ready. The final assembly brings the two halves together into a seamless whole. But this is just one story of renewal. In another corner of the workshop, a new challenge appears. An ancient lock, seized by rust and time. Its secrets are locked away behind layers of decay. The initial cleaning only hints at the damage within. A closer look reveals the true extent of its broken state. A delicate touch is needed to probe its weaknesses. The mechanism is carefully coerced, fighting every step of the way. Disassembled, the lock reveals its fragile, skeletal parts. Each component, a testament to time's relentless march. Some pieces seem almost too far gone, nearly dust. But one by one, they are brought back from the brink. The astonishing contrast between decay and restoration. The original metal, pure and bright, is unveiled. The process continues, a meticulous battle against corrosion. Polishing reveals the inherent beauty of the material. What was once crumbling rust is now gleaming steel. Even the most complex parts are treated with reverence. A protective coating ensures new lease on life. The larger housing receives its own cleansing ritual. Tiny components, once identical, now show their restored and original states. The puzzle begins to come back together. When a part is lost to time, a new one must be born from raw metal, shaping the steel with precision and skill. Crafting a perfect replica from memory and ingenuity. The newly forged piece is a testament to the creator's craft. The final cut is made, creating the key to this entire puzzle. A brand new key for a lock thought to be eternally sealed. The assembly process requires both force and finesse. Each piece is carefully tapped into its final resting place. The mechanism is whole once more. A final inspection of the resurrected artifact. The completed lock stands as a monument to patience. The workshop presents another echo from the past. A vintage kerosene stove, its brass heart tarnished and silent. The careful work of scraping away the grime begins. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, How to Restoration, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.